Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Robinhood platform. First, download the Robinhood app from your phone's app store. Next, create your account using a valid email address and a secure password. You will then complete a quick identity verification process, which typically takes just a few minutes. Finally, link your bank account to enable seamless deposits and withdrawals, usually within 3 to 5 business days. Once your account is set up, deposit funds from your linked bank account. Transfers often clear within 3 to 5 business days. Now, you can explore a wide range of investment options, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, and cryptocurrencies. Use the intuitive search bar to quickly locate specific companies or assets you are interested in. Take time to review detailed information, interactive charts, and relevant news before making any decisions. To place your first trade, simply select the asset you wish to buy or sell. You'll then choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the exact number of shares or the dollar amount you intend to invest. Always take a moment to carefully review all your order details before confirming the trade, ensuring everything is correct. After placing trades, actively monitor your portfolio's performance and track your investments directly within the app. Consider setting up price alerts to receive notifications about significant market movements for your holdings. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure it continues to align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. When ready, you can easily withdraw funds back to your linked bank account, typically within 3 to 5 business days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.